Troubleshooting of communication faults in TC fire linkage control panel. Both bus linkage and direct control panels are unresponsive. Pressing the button on the bus control panel without any response may be normal, because it is controlled by software programs. But what about the direct control panel? As for most of the equipment, it should be okay to press it. The indicator light will light up and have a response, even if the alarm host is broken. You can still directly start the fan or start the pump. The circuit designs for both panels are basically similar. Let's introduce it briefly. This is where 24 volts CAN bus comes in. It's one in and one out on both sides, so these two are the same. This is a voltage reduction and stabilization circuit. 24 volts in, down to 5 volts through here, after 5 volts, and then it goes down to 3.3 volts here. Power the chip here. 5 volts to this side as well. DC to DC directly supplies power to this communication side. Then 3.3 will come here to power the chip. At the same time, this is a memory chip. You can read the data from here. Where the direct panel to receive and store data. And here is code dialing and code hopping. This is binary, don't worry about this. And here's the LED chip. The data is directly connected to the chip. Send the code for the button here to control the LED. Which LED is on? It corresponds when we press it. Which one is bright? It's controlled by this. No response for any pressing now. If only one panel without response, we might think that no power supplied or chips damaged. But now both panels are with the same fault. So, we think it might be a power problem. We found this chip is damaged. The approximate problem may be 24 volts from here, maybe overpressure, or string electricity, lightning strikes, etc. It caused the chip to burn directly. This chip is actually strung together with this side. So this one here is also broken. We can replace both of these. We firstly narrow down the possibility to power supply. Then check the power supply part again. Now let's connect the bus linkage panel and direct linkage panel. Then we'll search it again. Press the system settings. Select device registry. Enter password. Click confirm to automatically register devices. OK, finished. Let's check it again. We can check the system information here. One bus linkage panel and one direct linkage panel. They are back.